las calles quisiera dejar esta soledad. Caminando, espero encontrar un amor para sonreír al ver que mi vida comienza otra vez. Quiero sentir al despertar que no hay vacío en mis manos, pues solo tengo aquellos recuerdos que el tiempo dejó. Caminando, tanto he buscado, pero es la lluvia al caer la que besa mis labios. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Es que nadie va a notar que hay una chica muy sola en esta ciudad.
Here is the bathroom. So cute. I love the marble finish. And then you come into our room. They gave us balloons. And it's just gorgeous. We are in the 16th arrondissement. And this is our view. Bonjour, Freddie. It's beautiful. I love it so much. And I love the location. The Eiffel Tower is near. There's a lot of cute shops to try. But here is our little room. So we are staying at Le Dokhan, and it is in the 16th arrondissement of Paris, and we're staying here for just a little vacation in Paris. And yeah, what I really love about Paris is just like everything is on foot, so you don't stop walking, and it's just like, it's so fun because you'll just be walking straight and then all of a sudden it's just uphill and then downhill and then you turn left and there's like stairs, you know? So it's basically like a outside gym, and the smoking doesn't really help but at least it's socially acceptable here. Yeah, so that's my day, and I'm just gonna put a bunch of videos of Paris that I took along the way. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bonjour.
Je pense bien que le